In this video, I'll show you how to add a LinkedIn link to your resume in Canva so it looks professional and stays fully clickable when you download it. First, log into Canva and open your resume. If you haven't created one yet, click Create a Design, search for Resume, and choose a template that fits your style. Once your resume is open in the editor, scroll to the top section where your contact details are listed. This is usually the best place to add your LinkedIn profile. Click inside the text box where your email or phone number appears and add a new line with your LinkedIn URL. You can type something clean like linkedin.com/in/your name or simply LinkedIn followed by your custom link. Keep it neat and aligned with the rest of your contact information. Now, to make it clickable, highlight the LinkedIn text you just added. Look at the top toolbar and click the small chain icon. A link box will appear. Paste your full LinkedIn profile URL there, including the HTTPS part, then click Apply. That's what turns your text into an active hyperlink inside the PDF. If you prefer a cleaner look, you can also add a small LinkedIn icon from the Elements tab. Just search LinkedIn icon, place it next to your contact details, highlight it, click the link icon in the toolbar, and attach your profile URL the same way. Once everything looks good, click Share, then Download, and choose PDF Print. This format keeps your hyperlink active so recruiters can click directly from your resume. And that's it. Your Canva resume now includes a professional, clickable LinkedIn link ready to send out with confidence.